Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is on another review and this one is a long overdue review. I'm actually reviewing the one and only Nikita Dragun and I'm so excited to show you guys the box and all the good stuff inside of it. So if you want to see how the corrector and the face powder worked, all that good stuff, then please keep watching. This is how it comes in. It comes in here. The webber comes in here, and I love the purple. So when you open it, it looks like this, and it says live your fantasy Dragun Beauty XO Nikita. And who doesn't love Nikita? Like, hello. It also brings a photo of herself, which she looks amazing and I love it. Her face is snatched. So then it says, hi dragons, fire heart fantasy. I poured my heart and soul into these products and I want to thank you for joining me in this fantasy. Breathe fire, XOXO Nikita. Also brings the United House of a Dragon and Pussy Stunt We Trust. Oh my god, so it's $100 and it's so cute. Imagine I could use this for some more products, but it's so cute. I like it. In the back it has a dragon. Like, how cute is that? Got a little $100 bill. And the moment we've all been waiting for, drum roll, ding, 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 ding. It's the Webbo! Oh my goodness! I'm so excited. So on the bottom it says Dragun Beauty, and it's just like a cute little surprise egg. You know, if you have children at home, a surprise egg for grown-ups, which I find so cute. So it opens up like this, and you have the Dragun Beauty Dragon Heart Transformation Face Powder on one side, and then you have the Dragun Beauty Dragon Fire Skin Perfecting Potion on the other side, which is so cute. And I did get this on sale. I didn't pay the full price, and the price for this is, let me check right now, I have it here in the information because I wanted to be prepared for you guys. The Dragon Egg Transformation Kit is $55 for both of the items. The Dragon Fire Skin Perfecting Lotion itself is $25. And then the Dragon Heart Transformation Face Powder is $35. So you're saving a little bit of money by buying both together. And I did not pay the, I think 55, yes, 55. I actually paid $43 for it. So I saved 12 bucks, which is so amazing because, you know, girls gotta save money here and there. I really wasn't going to purchase this because, I don't know, like, I didn't want to think just because it's in trend or because it's Nikita or whatever, I didn't want to like go and purchase it. But I've really purchased it just because of one reason, because, you know, I have really bad dark circles, so a corrector is always good. And I've seen the way this corrector has worked, and I watched a million reviews and a million videos, and this powder as well. So I just gave in and had to give it a try for myself because I do have really dark bad circles and it freaking bugs me. So if this is helpful, you know, why not? So yeah, I'm so excited to try this, and let's get started. I'm gonna open it up and show you guys. So I love all of the packaging. Like I said, I love the purple, and that egg is so cute. When you open it up, I haven't seen it. Okay, it's cute. It's the metallic with the white and holographic, which is so cute. And the corrector comes in 4 ml, 13 fluid ounces, which is, you know, normal. And then you have the Dragun Beauty Dragon Heart Transformation Face Powder, which is pretty big. We're thinking about a powder, which a regular powder, look at this powder compared to this, it's pretty big. And then you open it up. Oh my god, that is so cute. It's the holographic with the Dragun Beauty, and it says breathe fire my dragons, Dragon Heart Transformation Face Powder, and has all the information in the back. When you open it, oh my god, she's so pretty. So it has the peachy powder, and then it has the yellow powder. I love the fact that it has this huge mirror right here. Like, what powder brings such a huge mirror? Also love the fact that because this is like cardboard packaging, sometimes you can't really turn over like hard like cardboard packaging. I know this is kind of affordable, this packaging, so you can't really twist it over. Sometimes my cosmetics or whatever it is that come in this packaging get messed up because you can't fold them back, but this actually folds back, which I think is super cool and super neat and super thoughtful. She thought about that, because I know, look at this, you can't really fold that back, it's gonna get damaged. And there's also this one right here, I can show you, the Anastasia one. Can't really fold that back, it's gonna break if you fold it back. So she really thought of that, which I think is amazing. Boom, fold it back. We're gonna just go ahead and try this corrector out. I'm gonna prime my face before, and I'm gonna prime my face using the Professional by Benefit. So my main concern is under the eye area. I don't have much darkness anywhere else, so I will be applying the corrector. So you're gonna make sure you blend that out really nicely. You don't want it to be too dark. I think I over applied it, but I'm going to make sure that I blend it, you know, to a decent shade that is not too dark. But I feel like this is blending out like nothing. I seriously, look at how dark this is and look at how it is already. It's blending out really nice, which I appreciate. I'm gonna bring that up to the side of my eye because I feel like I have a lot of darkness in this area. So I'm just going to keep blending that until I have it very light and it doesn't, you know, come off on the foundation. And this is like a true orange shade. I feel like other correctors are more peachy. This is very orange, which I think is what you need when you want to cancel out the darkness or blueness or purpleness, whatever it is. Maybe I'll add some to here. So I know I look crazy right now, but I like the way it looks right now. I might blend it just a little bit more here, but yes, I think it has blended so nicely so far. I love the shade that it's really orangey and not peachy. Usually when I buy correctors, they're peachy and it's not what I'm looking for. I'm looking for that orange to really cancel out that darkness. So I'm going to apply my foundation and my concealer. So this is with the foundation applied. I wanted to show you guys how it looks without the concealer, and it really looks amazing with the foundation. I feel like the orange color is not poking out of the foundation. I feel like a lot of other correctors, you know, poke out. I can say a little bit that right here it didn't blend as much as I wanted, but it will cover up with the concealer. But so far down here it is amazing. I love it. The coverage of the foundation on top of that is perfect, and I do feel like it already has canceled out a lot of my darkness right here, which I hate. So far so good. Now let's go to the concealer, and I guess I'll just talk to you right here anyways. So I'm using the CoverGirl True Blend concealer, and this is in the classic beige. So I'm going to apply that right on top of the foundation and corrector underneath the eye area. So far so good. I do not see any darkness. I don't see anything popping out. I am loving that. You see that coverage? OMG, I think I found my favorite corrector. I don't feel like it's caking up as well. Usually when you add too much product under the eye area, it starts to cake up and to crease. So far with the corrector, the foundation, and the concealer, it has not caked up at all, and it's not creasing, so I am very happy. As well, I wanted to mention that in this area where I still had a little bit of that orange poking out, it is completely gone, which is amazing, and I love it. Not gonna lie, I did see some reviews that were good and some that were bad. Did see one that was very specific on a problem, which was that the corrector was not blending out good. So that was a little bit scary for me, because I'm like, oh my god, what if this thing sucks? You know, I'm paying so much money for it. But I honestly feel like it blended so nicely, and it's not a orange that it's like, oh my god, it's gonna stay there. It's not. It blends out really, really nice. I'm loving it so far. I want to see how it looks with all the powder and all of that afterwards. So far so good. It has canceled out all of the darkness on the bottom of my eyes. I am super happy. It blended so nice. It's not creasing, so I am super, super, super happy. Okay, so now we're gonna go to the other good part, and is the powder. I'm going to be mixing both the shades together. Applying that right underneath here. Oh wow. You can instantly see a difference when you apply that powder underneath the eyes. I don't know if you guys can tell right here and right here. It really brightened up the under eye amazingly. I don't know if you guys can see that. I can see it in my mirror. I don't know if the camera caught it, but instantly you can see a brightness underneath the eye area. So I'm liking that. Wow. I like this powder. Okay. Wow. It gave instant brightness and great coverage as well. I could see that it's covering as well anything that the concealer didn't catch. So that is amazing. It's setting the concealer so good and brightening under the eye as well. I'm gonna go ahead and apply that around the face, just for extra coverage and to set around the face as well. I have a new face. I have transformed into a new Estefania. I love, love, love this transformation kit. I see the brightness and the coverage and the way it sets under the eye area. I love it, love it. I really, really, really do. I am so mad I didn't use this way back in the beginning of the summer and things like that, because this is what I really, really needed in the beginning of the summer. But hey, I'm using it now and I'm going to keep on using it. I really, really like these two products. And yeah, I'll be right back. I'm going to finish my face and I'll let that powder sink into the skin a little bit more, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back and my face is all done, and I am so impressed by the under eye powder. I really, really like it. I feel like it has not moved at all. Really, really loved the corrector. I feel like my face is snatched and I love it. I can't wait to keep using it. I really, really, really highly recommend purchasing this kit. If you don't really want to buy the powder, then I really highly recommend you purchase either the kit alone or the corrector. They're both amazing, especially the corrector. I think that was my favorite, the corrector. I can't wait to keep using these products, and yeah, okay, for the price of both of the items, I think it's really worth it. I'm not gonna say, you know, to go out and go buy the corrector and the face powder if you don't have, you know, money like that. It is kind of pricey, but I did get it on a sale, like I said, so I think it was worth it on the sale. Full price, maybe I wouldn't go and purchase it because it's kind of like, damn, $55, you know. But $12 off, it isn't bad, and itself is $25 for this, so I think it's better getting it in a bundle and you get 2 things. So yeah, other than that, I love these products and I can't wait to keep using them. Please give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and hit that notification bell so you can get notified every time I upload a video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it.